alcohol and opium a lot to relax patients so they could actually do treatments and perform surgeries and stuff like that while you're still awake, but passed out because you had less alcohol. And there's actually a famous illustration that is a guy that has like an arrow through his head and a sword under his arm, and he's just stabbed full of all these things. And that was what they used to describe any battlefield injury that could come in was on that guy. So the guy was just full of swords and axes and arrows and all that stuff. And that was what they would study is, well, if you get hit by a sword, it's either going to be here or on your leg, and this is how we're going to treat it. So they still didn't have a big grasp of it, but at least they were trying at this point. And that's what sort of brought them into the Renaissance is we're going to try again. Because relying on the church did nothing during the plague.
Where did the first cases of the plague?
They think it came from ships that came from Africa that landed to trade things and stuff. They think that's where the rats came from. They can't trace exactly what happened back then, but that was around the first outbreaks of the plague. Because people died so fast, it was a little bit more traceable. And the different epidemics of the plague that would hit certain areas, like Germany area. They hit the big towns, the big castles and stuff. And that's when they started realizing that all these people that live together are all going to die faster. And so there was a lot more emphasis put on people that worked out in fields and stuff, because if you could work in a field and farm things, your skills were in high demand. So many people were dying, and most people that lived out in their little shack on their farmland stayed alive because they weren't exposed to all the people that had the plague. But 7,500 people a day on average for over 100 years.
Nature's population control, I guess.
Yep, it did it. And then to celebrate the plague, I have this game called Plague and Pestilence. It is the best game ever made about the plague. It's about peace, war, and plague in the Middle Ages. And that's what we're going to learn to play tonight. Cool. It is not from the Middle Ages, though.
Thank you very much.